In this video, we're going to explore why you should have a sales process in place. My name is Rob Spence, the Managing Director of Paragon Sales Solution. One of my most key jobs within the business is I act and operate as a sales consultant and sales trainer to businesses, entrepreneurs, salespeople of all shapes and sizes, everything from the home-based business owner right through to the multi-million pound sales director. And one of the key things that I recognize early on with people that are sort of struggling with their sales is the lack of a sales process. Now, if you're watching this video, I really hope, well, I don't hope, I do hope that you're sat there and you're going, Rob, what is a sales process? I don't have a sales process. I have no idea what you're talking about. Now, in this short video, we're going to discuss what one is and why it's so important that you should have one. Now, put very simply, a sales process is simply a step-by-step guide on how you can take your customer from point A to point Z. So taking them all the way from the cold approach right through to the sale. And the bit that people normally forget is what I'd class as the aftercare and the after sale. So a sales process fundamentally will be your cold outreach, how you're going to get that customer into what I'd class as your universe. So whether you put it down as a cold approach, such as through cold calling, through LinkedIn messaging, email marketing, it's how we take that customer from that point, how we then engage and qualify with that customer, how we then look to present that customer, how we overcome any objections, how we then look to close that customer, how we then look to follow up with that customer. And then the bit where people tend to forget is then what we do after that sale is made, such as asking for referrals, asking for testimonials, asking for repeat business. It's taking it round. And in a lot of my sales training, I try and draw it out as a full circle so that it kind of operates as a clock. You start at 12 o'clock and you take them right round, and so on it goes. So why you should have a sales process? Well, put simply, if you don't have a sales process, how are you ever going to know where individuals are within your sales pipeline? Furthermore to that, if you want to grow and expand your business, how are any salespeople, how are any customer service agents going to know what part of the sales process any person is in? Let's say, for argument's sake, you've got a car garage, okay, and someone calls up and they make an inquiry to book something in. How is that new individual going to be trained and guided into taking that phone inquiry into a sale? And that's exactly what a sales process should be. It should be understood by yourself, it should be drawn out, and then it should be coached and trained to everyone else within the business. If you want to scale your business, if you ever want to look to escape the business through a solid exit strategy, then a sales process will act as your guidebook to do so. Of course, here at Paragon Sales Solutions, we do write up and help and support and coach and guide and train people on sales processes. So if you are needing some help and support, get in touch with us today with the contact details that are either going to be above, below, to the side, or popping up on your screen right now. Get in touch with us, allow us to help you to build and develop and understand your sales process. And let's kickstart your sales. If you've not got sales, you don't have a business. Now, as always, please do hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop some comments below, drop a follow, send it on to your friends, send it on to your colleagues. Let's get these videos as far and wide as possible. Over the coming weeks and months, we're going to be dropping a whole fresh video every single week. So if you aren't following, if you aren't subscribed, make sure you do so for some killer content that's going to be coming your way. As always, I really cannot appreciate and thank you enough for taking the time to watch this video. They take a lot of time, a lot of effort, and it brings us great joy in being able to share these hints and tips and things with you. If there are any kind of key specific subjects you want to cover, drop a comment below and we'll make sure we'll cover in one of our future videos over the coming weeks. Thank you so much for your time, and until next time, all the best.